Bengaluru police have arrested 3 persons, including a minor, in connection with an incident in which a woman alleged that she was followed by unknown men while traveling from Jayanagar Metro Station towards BTM Layout on December 24th. The accused have been remanded to judicial custody following the registration of an FIR by SG Palia Police. The woman, identified as Pavitra Kotian, reported that 3 men on a bike began following her during her commute, causing her to feel unsafe. According to her account, she slowed down to check if they would stop, but the men continued to follow her until a traffic signal. When she attempted to take a photograph of the vehicle at the signal, the men reportedly fled the spot. Police identified the vehicle involved as a Honda Activa bearing registration number KA01JY5410. 2 of the accused are 19 years old, identified as Sheikh Ayan and Sheikh Roshan. Following a social media post that brought attention to the incident, SG Palia Police initiated action. In an official statement, the police said that suitable legal action has been taken. An FIR had been registered and the accused persons have been arrested and remanded to judicial custody. Police officials stated that the case is being investigated further and reiterated their commitment to ensuring women's safety in the city.